necklace, and because he has a necklace, I think he feels more confident to walk. Jax, are you going to show off how you walk with the necklace? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah? Uh-oh. Jax, show off your walking skills. Ah. Ah. Jax, come here, baby. Jax. Can you come to mommy? Come on, baby. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Look at those skills. Yay! Yay! Whoa! Uh-oh. Did you fall? Jax, did you fall? Say, there he is. The great Jax Walker. Woo! Who knew that would be such an exciting thing?